You want to learn how to cycle crop your face in your videos, just like this. Not to worry, I'm going to be teaching you in this video. If you want to add a professional touch to all your videos and you want your picture or your face to look like this video is meant for you. Watch to the end and you will learn how to cycle crop your face. Alright, if this is a video you would like to watch, please, as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and let me teach you how you can cycle crop your face in your videos. When you cycle crop your face in a video, it gives your video this unique look, and people will want to click on your videos to watch it, and it will generate more views to your videos. Yes, because why? It will make your videos to look more professional. All right. People find it difficult to cycle crop their face, but it is a very simple step that you're going to learn in this video. Very simple. And when you learn it, please practice it at home or in your own free time. So with that much being said, I'm going to be taking you through a screen record video to teach you how you can cycle crop your face in your video. Let's go right into the screen record video. Open your Capcut app and then you import the main video. So let's use this video as the main video. Add it. Then you click on overlay. Click on add overlay. So now you import the video that you want to put in the circle. Alright, import the video that you want to put in the circle. Bring it sideways and then you scroll down, look for mask. Look for mask. Click on mask. And then you look for circle among these objects that are here. These various shapes. Look for the one that is written circle. So look at it here, click on it. So now what you're going to do here is to adjust the circle to fit in this video. Alright, make sure you adjust it to whatever size you want it to look like. Alright. I think I want it to be like this. So it's as simple as that. Then you click on, you tick this code here, adjust it. Then you play. So you can see that it's very easy to crop your video into a circular form. So it's as simple as ABC. Alright. So this is how to crop your face in your video to add that professional look to your videos. So now that you have learned how to cycle crop your face, I hope you're going to practice it at home. Thank you guys for watching, and if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.